Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle, your go-to channel for all things natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds and why they are an essential addition to your diet for optimal health. Chia seeds have been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with an impressive array of health benefits that can help you on your journey to better health. From improved digestion to enhanced heart health, chia seeds truly are a superfood that should not be overlooked. At Healthy Lifestyle, we are passionate about promoting natural health and wellness through the power of whole foods. Chia seeds perfectly align with our mission, as they are a nutrient-dense, plant-based food that can support your overall well-being. It's important to remember that making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your health. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine, you are taking a proactive step towards improving your overall health and well-being. So join us as we explore the many benefits of chia seeds and discover how these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your life. Nutritional powerhouse, chia seeds. Chia seeds are often hailed as a superfood for good reason. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health in numerous ways. These tiny seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. In fact, chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s, making them an excellent choice for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Additionally, chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in chia seeds also promotes a feeling of fullness, making them a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your weight. Furthermore, chia seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, making them an ideal option for those looking to increase their protein intake without relying on animal products. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as supporting a healthy immune system. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can experience a wide range of health benefits, including improved digestion, enhanced heart health, and better weight management. These versatile seeds can be easily added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or used as a topping for salads and baked goods, making it simple to reap the rewards of their nutritional goodness. Health benefits of chia seeds. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can lead to a multitude of health benefits that can positively impact your overall well-being. Let's delve into some of the specific advantages individuals can experience by adding these tiny seeds to their daily routine. First and foremost, chia seeds are known for their ability to improve heart health. Studies have shown that the omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By consuming chia seeds regularly, you can support a healthy heart and cardiovascular system. Furthermore, chia seeds are a great ally in weight management. The high fiber content in chia seeds can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. This can lead to better portion control and ultimately support weight loss or maintenance goals. Additionally, chia seeds are beneficial for enhancing digestion. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, which can help regulate bowel movements and promote a healthy gut microbiome. This can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and gas. Real-life success stories and testimonials from individuals who have incorporated chia seeds into their diet further support these health claims. Many have reported improved energy levels, better digestion, and even weight loss success after making chia seeds a regular part of their meals. So why not join the chia seed revolution and experience these incredible health benefits for yourself? Incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Looking to add a nutritional boost to your meals and snacks? Chia seeds are a versatile ingredient that can easily be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from breakfast to dessert. Here are some practical tips and creative ways to make chia seeds a delicious and nutritious part of your daily diet. One simple way to enjoy chia seeds is by adding them to your morning smoothie. Simply sprinkle a tablespoon or two of chia seeds into your blender along with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids for a nutrient-packed start to your day. For a satisfying and crunchy texture, try incorporating chia seeds into your salads. You can sprinkle them on top of your greens or mix them into homemade salad dressings for an added nutritional punch. If you have a sweet tooth, chia seeds can be used in a variety of baked goods, such as muffins, cookies, and energy bars. They can be mixed into the batter or dough before baking to add a subtle crunch and boost of fiber. The versatility of chia seeds extends beyond traditional recipes. You can also use them to make chia pudding, chia jam, or even chia seed crackers. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to incorporate chia seeds into your favorite dishes to reap their numerous health benefits while enjoying delicious meals and snacks. Maximizing the benefits. Tips and tricks. To fully maximize the health benefits of chia seeds and achieve optimal results, it's important to keep a few key tips and tricks in mind. Let's explore how you can make the most of these tiny seeds for your overall well-being. One crucial aspect to consider when consuming chia seeds is proper hydration. Chia seeds have the ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, so it's essential to drink an adequate amount of fluids when incorporating chia seeds into your diet. This will help prevent any potential digestive issues and ensure that you can fully benefit from the fiber content of chia seeds. When it comes to the ideal daily intake of chia seeds, recommendations can vary depending on age and individual health goals. As a general guideline, adults can aim to consume around 1-2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day, while children may require smaller amounts. It's always best to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine the appropriate serving size for your specific needs. While chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects or precautions. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, when first introducing chia seeds into their diet. It's recommended to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. Additionally, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine. By following these tips and tricks, you can make the most of chia seeds and enjoy their many health benefits with confidence. In conclusion, chia seeds are truly a nutritional powerhouse that can offer a wide range of health benefits when incorporated into your daily diet. Let's recap the key advantages of adding chia seeds to your meals and snacks and why you should consider making them a staple in your kitchen. From supporting heart health and aiding in weight management to promoting better digestion and providing essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, chia seeds offer a multitude of reasons to include them in your diet. These tiny seeds pack a big punch when it comes to enhancing your overall well-being. We encourage you to take action today by trying out some delicious chia seed recipes or incorporating chia seed products into your daily routine. Whether you sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or bake them into your favorite treats, there are endless ways to enjoy the benefits of chia seeds. Don't miss out on the opportunity to boost your health naturally with this superfood. Join us on our journey to better health and wellness by incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health content, and stay tuned for additional tips, recipes, and information on how to live your best, healthiest life.